In Wisconsin, the old-fashioned isn't just a cocktail. It's a way of life. Here's how to make the real thing, a proper brandy old-fashioned, the Wisconsin way. The old-fashioned was invented in the 1880s, but Wisconsin made it its own. We swapped whiskey for brandy somewhere around the 1940s and never looked back. Wisconsin drinks more brandy per capita than any state in the country. Here's what you need. Brandy Corbel is the Wisconsin standard, Angostura bitters, sugar or a sugar cube, soda water, an orange slice, and a brandied cherry, and one good ice cube. Start with a sugar cube or a teaspoon of sugar in the bottom of your glass. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Muddle it until the sugar dissolves. Don't mash it to paste, just mix it wet. Drop in an orange slice. Muddle it gently, you want the oils from the peel, not pulp mush. A couple of presses is enough. Add ice. 1 big cube is better than a handful of small ones. It melts slower and keeps your drink from getting watered down. Pour 1½ ounces of brandy over the ice. Corbel is what most Wisconsin bars pour. If you want to step up, grab something aged longer. Top it with soda water, just a splash, maybe an ounce. This is where Wisconsin splits. Sweet gets 7-Up or Sprite, sour gets Squirt or Sour Mix. Drop in a brandied cherry. Not a maraschino, a real brandied cherry. Stir gently with the straw. Here's the Wisconsin split. Sweet means 7-Up or Sprite instead of soda water. Sour means Squirt or Sour Mix, not club soda. Most bars default to sweet unless you say otherwise. Up north, sweet wins. Can you use whiskey instead? Sure. But then it's a whiskey old-fashioned, not a Wisconsin one. Wisconsin chose brandy because it's smoother and sweeter, it fits the drink. Final touch. An orange slice on the rim and the cherry floating in the glass. It should look like a sunset in a rocks glass. Give it a gentle stir. The first sip should hit sweet, then bitter, then warm brandy. That's a Wisconsin old-fashioned. That's the Wisconsin way. Grab the ingredients and try it at home. Cheers, folks.